Little Raining in My Heart by Slim Harpo. Hey, it's Little Cliff, your blues rivet man here from BaySupply.com, back with another unboxing video of one of our popular cordless riveting tools. Today we're coming at you with the Marson BT-2A. This 16-volt riveting tool got everything it needs to get the job done. Let's go through and unbox it and see what we've got. Comes in a super heavy-duty carrying case. I'm going to open this thing up. What's interesting about this case, before we get into the actual contents, is it's stackable. It has little rack mounts on it that you can stack these things up if you have a desire to buy 10 or 20 of them from us. Here's the operating manual. Here's the tool itself. It's got that Marson Arconic green. Marson is part of Arconic Fastening Systems, which has been recently updated to Howmet Fastening Systems. These guys are the company that brings you Huck fasteners, as well as Marson, and also the Recoil brand of coil thread inserts. Here's the tool. Here's the charger. Charger has a little electric cord that plugs in on the side here. 16-volt, 2-amp-hour battery. Give you a little adjustment wrench for the nose pieces. It also comes with a little belt clip that you can use to put on the side of your belt. And if you don't want to use the mandrel collector bottle, you have a tight clearance application. Comes with a little plug style adapter so that you can dump the nails out of the front of the tool and you have a nice tight dimension here if you're trying to get into a box or a tight chamber or application where you have limited access. And it also comes with a nice little hanger bracket you can clip onto the top of the tool so that if you want to hang this up from a tool balancer in a production environment, you can do that as well. Some of the specifications on the tool we'll go over right now. It's a 16-volt system, brushless, heavy-duty motor. The tool is made in West Germany. Actually, it's Germany nowadays, right? There's no East or West Germany. It's Germany. The tool's made in Germany, European quality. It's 2,200 pounds of pull force. It's 4.7 pounds of weight with the battery. It has a 22-minute charge time in the quick charger. Comes with nose pieces, 3/16, 5/32, 1/8, and 3/32 going down in size. The nose pieces are in a nice little plastic case that they include with the tool right here. And we're going to put everything together for you and we're going to set some rivets. Okay, we're back with the BT-2A Marson 16-volt cordless rivet tool. Let's put the battery on and we'll set a couple of rivets for you and show you how it works. You can get a listen to how the motor sounds. Before we put the battery on, I just want to tell you that the battery has a nice little power indicator on the side of it. This is an intelligent style 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. And we'll slide it on like this. That's what it sounds like. Here's what the motor sounds like when you set it. It's got that nice little LED work light. And that pullback stroke that you hear is about a 7/8 pullback stroke, which is pretty long for your extra length rivets. This is a medium range tool. It's designed for 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 blind rivets in all materials. We've got some steel, black painted pop rivets today, blind rivets, and we're going to show you how it works. Put a couple in the test plate here. Drop back into the collection bottle. Let's do a couple more. Love those black painted rivets. They look great. On BaySupply.com, you can check out all kinds of special finish rivets. One more time, as they say in the blues. And there you go. So thanks for joining us today on our unboxing and our brief introduction on the BT-2A Marson 16-volt cordless riveting tool. You can check out all our full line of cordless riveting tools, pneumatic tools, hydraulic tools from all the major engineered riveting system companies that we offer at baysupply.com. Give us a shout if you have any technical questions, pricing concerns, anything you need online. You can give us a call at 1-800-718-8818. We can be reached by email at info@baysupply.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a like. And we sure do appreciate you joining us again for one of our unboxing videos. We have plenty more planned for you. And before we go, let me hit you one more time there. See you next time.